Kumentri rangba ka jylla ukan rat ki sangma ha khandriu tarik nai wing ulakhat ya ka jingelang bishar kam ha ka bayade ba ka jingduna ki doktor specialist bat halor ki jingtreikam jong ki civil hospital bat ki wei pat ki mat ki bayade ba katanat ka koit ka khia. Habakren Syllad pathai kubor, ka menteri katanat ka koit ka khia ka kong amperin lingdo, kalau ong ba ka jing penlong ya kani ka jingelang kalong khamtam ban bishar bniah, ha ka bayade bat ki jingtreikam jong ki civil hospital, bat ki district hospital ha ka jylla hi baro ka wei. Kalau ong bana kaliang ka sorkar kala bishar bniah ya ka jinglong jingman, ya ki jingtreikam bat halor ki jingdon kam ya ki jingte ya ki jaka treikam. Ngila ai por ya ladi kumba arpusa hadu lai penriu benai kenang bangin pej benia ha ka bayade ba ka jingtreikam ong ka menteri. Kalau ong ru ba ki jingdon kam ki ba kongsan tam hapo ki hospital sorkar kalong halor ka jingdon kinong trei. Kalau ong ru ba ki la pentip sya menteri rangba ka jylla ha ka bayade ba ka jingduna jong kinong trei kumju ki doktor specialist bat ki doktor. Ngindang ap menta nakabenta ka wei pat ka jingakran bat umentri rangba kenang ban pej ki wei pat ki kam ki bahap ban shimkhya bat ka ka jingarap song pisa ka badan kam ba ka sorkar kan ai kenang ban penti kena ba ki la jing sumar jongi kinong ki bakham byang kala ong. Nalor kata ka menteri kala ong ru bana kaliang katanat kala pha ya ka jingterwa halor kumno ban penti kena ba ki doktor specialist kin penyaso yaladi na kabenta ka jing syakri hapo ki jaka sumar sorkar hapo ka jylla. Ngidei bandan ye ki sen jam ban khmi halor ki jing siu bat ba ki he badai khmi menta kin perkhat bania halor ki jing terwa ki babun lani ki la jing terwa na ka benta ki ni specialist khnang bangin la ban pandap ya baro ki jaka ki bathali ha ka thop jung ki specialist ong shu shu ka menteri. Shu shu ka pentip ru bana ka liang ka sorkar kala shim ya karai ban pentrekam ya ka policy ban penti kena ba baro hapo katanat ka koit ka khya ki dei ban sha pen kan ria sha kinu ki jaka na ka benta ban ai jing syakri. Ha ka wei pat ka benta ka menteri kala ong bana ka liang ka sorkar kan wat benia ru ya ka daw tenrai halor ka jing million jong baro ki hospital sorkar ban pha pen kan ria ya ki nong pang sha ki wei pat ki jaka sumar.
To evaluate the performance of civil hospitals and district hospitals across the state of Meghalaya. We had reviewed the positions, the performance, the requirements of infrastructure, the reviewed the indexes for evaluation of performance. And it was decided today that amongst the most critical requirements in all of these hospitals was the HR. And the Honorable Chief Minister is now informed about the shortfall of nurses, shortfall of paramedical staff, shortfall of specialists, shortfall of medical doctors. This evaluation was done with the purpose to ensure that we are able to track the performance of all of our hospitals, and we will await for another interaction with the Honorable Chief Minister to see what are the other areas and what are the financial inputs that government will be taking to ensure that our health system improves substantially. We are giving ourselves about 24 to 36 months and we will evaluate the performance accordingly. We have also taken a decision that it is important for us to incentivize services of health personnel across the state of Meghalaya. You will notice that in very far-flung places of services provided to the public via the health department, there will always be a resistance by health personnel across the board. So we are looking at the initiation of a policy that will firstly ensure that everyone in the system, in the health department, must have a compulsory difficult posting. Everyone in the health system should not, for example, take recluse to the fact that we do not have provisions for housing of the health personnel whenever they're posted out. We've evaluated the scales of pay of all health personnel, and we have seen that there are provisions for acquiring of housing facility for doctors, housing for facilities for nurses. We hope that we will be able to evaluate ourselves. This is a self assessment. Before any third party comes, government should be seized of what are the potentials, weaknesses, strengths of our own services. We are also a little alarmed at the fact that referrals to higher facilities is a common practice in all of our health centers, our health hospitals, government hospitals. We are going to find out now, we're going to invest substantially on further detailed researching. Why is it that referral of patients is a common practice in all of our uh, government hospitals? Why is it that patients uh, ask for referral against medical uh, advice in most situations? We are going to try and see whether or not uh, the government can handhold the health department to ensure that we are able to provide the basic of all basic amenities to our citizens wherever they are located without pressurizing patients to move out of their own areas, own homes, and to travel distances across either in the state or across to other states for their medical treatments. That's one thing that we feel is a top priority in the government, and this is what the Honorable Chief Minister reviewed. He has visited the Jowai Civil Hospital. He has visited, of course, the his own in his own constituency, the Tura Civil Hospital. We are shortly going to have a review meeting even in the hospital Shillong, and we're going to see how best we can turn around this faith that the public have in our health institutions. I think that this is a very, very important intervention of the Honorable Chief Minister, and we hope, like he has created a magic in reduction of maternity deaths, we hope that we will be able to have this reduction overall in the entire health system. We also talked about availability of essential drugs. That is a very, very important area, and Honorable Chief Minister has made necessary advices to the department officials to ensure that we generate individual dispensaries in every civil hospital or MCH hospital or these subdivisional hospitals across the state of Meghalaya.